This is how to delete a contact photo. For this one, I've got an emoji set up, but a photo is the same thing. Just a picture of the person right here, and we're going to reset it back to just being the default, which is the first letter of the first name, the first letter of the second name, inside of a circle. Once you see it, you'll recognize it immediately. So before we get started, we have to get into the Contacts app. It looks like this. It should be somewhere on one of your home screen pages. If you can't find it, just tap on search down here and start typing contacts and it'll appear over here. And if you still can't find it for whatever reason, tap on the phone app and then tap on the contacts tab down below and then find the contact in here whose picture you want to remove. So I'm going to go through the app on the home page. I created this demo contact and I want to get rid of this emoji. I'm going to tap on edit up here and tap on edit again. And now we can customize the avatar and the poster. There's lots of options for what to do with it. So there's photos, emojis, monograms, emojis, and this is the default right here. Just going to tap on that. You can give it a color, choose that. Once you have the avatar reset, tap on poster in case you have that set as well, and change that back to the monogram. That looks good. Tap on done. And then the check mark. Choose one of these as the avatar. Keep check marking until you're out of here. And now we have the photo removed, or whatever it was. In this case, it was an emoji. But this is the best we can do. We can't delete everything up here. There's got to be something. And this is the default for contacts on an iPhone. You can always come back in here and change it to something else if you want. If you want to delete the contact entirely, you just tap on edit, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on delete contact, and then press delete contact again. And now they're gone. So if that's what you want to do, that's how you do that. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on an iPhone. I know it sounds strange. You've probably never done it, and you got to do it. So check out this video, and I'll see you there.